All right, so today we're going to take 2 sheets of pattern paper, 12 by 12 pattern paper, and make 16 cards. This paper is from a paper pack from Recollections. It's from Michaels. I think it's no longer available, but they have stuff similar. So you can fix that up. You can use whatever paper you would like. But I've picked 2 patterns out that I like. You're going to need 16 A2 size card bases. I've already got mine cut and scored over here. And you're going to need 4.5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 solid cardstock for your mats and layers. All right, so we're going to take and get our trimmer, and we're going to cut our paper to begin with. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our pattern paper at 3 inches. So I'm going to cut 3-inch strips. And then I'm going to turn it the long ways, and I'm going to cut this at 5 inches. So I'm going to cut that at 5, cut this one at 5. This we're going to cut at 1 inch strip, 1.5. All right, let's go back to our 3 by 12 pieces. We're going to cut those at 3 inches. And don't worry about writing these measurements down. I have the December pattern paper picks template that you can download on my blog. If you stick to the end, I'll tell you how to get it. All right, our 5 by whatever was left piece, that is 6. We're gonna cut these at 1.5. So I'm gonna use this side of the trimmer. These strips we're going to cut at 1.5. And we're going to do our other piece the same way. Remember, if you have a directional pattern, you want to line it up in the direction you want it to go. All right, so there's all my pattern paper cut. Now we are going to do our mats. All right, so I'm going to take my green cardstock, this cardstock I just had in my stash, and I'm going to cut this at 3 1/4. our next cut is the 1 3/4 by 5 1/4 pieces. All right, so there's our 16 of those. Now we're gonna cut our next little mat, which is 1 1/4 by 1 3/4. I'm gonna start off by using what we already have got. All right, so there's what we have so far. Now we're going to mix and match.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
All right, now that those are all done, all we got to do is put them together.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
All right, so there's all of our pieces put together. Now I'm going to take and show you the sketch that we're going to be working with. This is this month's pattern paper sketch, Sketch and Shine, December 2023. And this is our sketch. Now, if you're unfamiliar to this, it has all your cutting dimensions, cutting supplies needed here. If you want to just make one card, how many cards it yields, you can follow me on social media. On the back, or page 2, it has the cutting guidelines. And we are going to go ahead and add our sentiments to these. And as I put, well, actually, I'm going to put them together, then I'll add my sentiments. So I will show you one in real time, and then I will speed the rest up.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
All right, now if you have like I just did where I had glue drop, let it dry, take a rubber cement eraser or an adhesive eraser and just take it off. All right, there's all those cards. Now all I gotta do is add sentiments. I have pre-done my sentiments. What I did, I took the Must Have Sentiments from Spellbinders and I hot foiled and cut those out with the glimmer machine. So now all we're gonna do is take and add a sentiment to each card. You could totally use a sentiment that's Christmas related. If you're in a pinch and need a few more Christmas cards, this is a great sketch to do that. Or you can change up your sentiments and make them more of a winter, Christmassy themed occasion card, which is what we're doing today. And I'm just gluing the sentiments down to the cards so that there's no extra postage, especially during this time of year. And we all need thank you cards and all occasion sentiment cards during this time, all during the year. So this is a great way to build up your stash. You could do birthday cards if you wanted to, just birthdays. Whatever you want to do. I just did these, I think I did them 4 times. This one plate, I ran it through 4 different times so I could have all the sentiments. There was 6 on the plate. And I just put them where I think they look the best. But I have extra sentiments now that I can use for other projects. All right, let's look at all the cards. Now you could totally like embellish these more if you wanted to. I'm not. I'm just going to keep them nice and simple. And I did do a insert on each of the inside of each card because I wanted them to be able to write on them. But I did some landscape, some portrait. All right, there's all 16 cards from the December 2023 Sketch and Shine Pattern Paper Pick. You can get this template on my blog for free. You can find the coordinating blog post below. And that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoy making some festive all occasion cards. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you.